Doing, honey? Lila, where are you going? You can't open those. No. You're just little. See? Yeah. Child-proofed. That means Lila-proof. Come on. Come on, let's go out here. Oh, Daddy Lila-proofed that. You want to come inside? Okay. You getting into things today? Is that what you're doing? Just getting into different things? Look at how I play with this, Daddy. Yep. I'll throw that on the ground. Come on, kid. Pick it up. Can you put that back for me? Can you put that back for me? No, huh? No. Carry that around for a while. Okay. What you doing, Lila? Can you wave? Can you wave for your grandparents? Can you wave? Say hi. Say hi. Still trying to eat that? No. Say hi. Say hi. Oh. And this is parenthood. 24 hours a day, making sure she doesn't get into stuff.